Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with the new video, and you have seen I've got this something special. Here's the iPhone 11 Pro 256GB Space Gray, and yeah, let's get into unboxing. And here you see the new design of the 3 camera on 11 Pro. This is the epic design the iPhone has ever made, and yeah, the Apple logo has just gone downside. No change design by Apple in California. And yes, this is the user guide with the sticker, with the same sticker. This one is a guide and this one is pin, and yeah, everything manual as the previous one, nothing new. And the change is here. Okay, this one is as lightning airport, and yeah, the new one is the charging, which I heard that this will charge faster than the previous one. And the previous one we got like this one, and there's a difference in the lightning cable too. Yeah, that's it. I think nothing much more than that. And yes, this one, you see the space gray. I'm a big fan of this color, and the Apple logo is down. So yeah, this is the clip I've been taking with 8 Plus. And yes, here's the clip I've been taking with 11 Pro, and I hope you know the difference. Hey? It's too good. So here's the picture I'll be taking from wide range, normal and zoom. Just check it out. So here I'm gonna show you the 4K video of wide angle. Here we go. So yeah, now we'll be going through the tunnel there, and let's see how the quality goes at the dark mode. So yeah, I'm too impressed with the camera of 11 Pro Max. Hope you guys have a lovely day and you loved my video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Nikiru. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.